Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something empowering, inspiring, and all about confidence. It's time to talk about being bald and beautiful. Baldness isn't just a hairstyle choice, it's a statement. Whether you're embracing it due to hair loss, making a bold style decision, or simply loving the natural beauty of a shaved head, being bald is about owning who you are. Let's face it, bald is bold, and it can be beautiful in ways that go beyond just looks. It's about confidence, strength, and embracing your individuality. From iconic celebrities to everyday warriors, being bald is more than just a trend. It's a powerful form of self-expression. So, if you're bald and proud, this one's for you. And if you're considering making the big shave, just know that beauty comes in all forms, and bald is definitely beautiful. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who might need a little boost of confidence today. Let's keep spreading the love and positivity. Until next time, stay bold, stay beautiful. See you in the next video, Wellness Wiz, your guide to better health.